Anaya's behind me. Or these Walmart beach cruisers, or you definitely get your money's worth out of them. I mean, I had to change the tires a few times, but you definitely get your money's worth out of the Walmart beach cruisers. And those things like fast, man. Those bikes, they're like fast, bro. Like, they're barely pedaling, and they're like dusting me. We're pulling up now. I don't know if you see that water, that beautiful view right there, but we're getting ready to pull up, hop in the water, go for a little morning, swim / workout, whatever you want to call it. Subscribe, like, and share, man. Don't cost you anything. We made it. I don't got my camera stand, so it ain't gonna be no beach footage. We about to go have fun, but we made it. All right, wrapping it up, guys. Whew. We're at about 1 hour 45 minutes, but time flies when you're having fun. Ain't no joke walking in that dirt, or the thick dirt anyway. All right, man, we about to wrap this video up. We've been out there almost 2 hours. Time flew by, but we about to wrap it up. Go home, eat some breakfast,